So next is the carburetor. This is the exploded view, and it says over here that you need replacement kit 217081. Well, I couldn't find it on that number, but on Amazon I found a kit, and yesterday it came by mail, and I hope it's the right one. So first take this side of the carburetor off. Now carefully see what's underneath. Okay. This looks similar to what I received. So that's great news. The only thing I notice is this one. It's just a rubber piece. And not this piece. That's the wrong one. This gasket. It came with the kit, but it's not on here. Well, anyway, a few parts in here as well. I'll bring you back when everything came off. Those were all the parts. On this side. Next side. The spring of the throttle. That's a bit of rubber. And this also does not have a gasket. And the original one does have, well, the kit has a gasket, so I'm not sure what to do. Put the gasket in between, yes or no? So I had another look at this exploded view, and I noticed that this little rubber flap over there is on the body side, not on the lid. So this is wrong. The rubber side goes on the inside, and so this part, sorry, this needs to go here, and this one goes on top, so the gasket goes on top. So I cleaned up the lid, so that can go back together. So that part is back in place. Now the other side, or new needle, did not come with the kit, so this we'll have to do. Looks quite alright, not too bad. Cleaned it up a bit, so it has to go back. There you go. It slides down nicely. There it goes. Okay. Yep, got it. According to the exploded view, I think that part is the gasket. So that should be on the body side. So that's this one with a big hole in it. Goes right over here. Then the membrane. That's this part. And that should go like this. So that pin pushes, on the part, on the lever of the needle. Okay, that should be okay. Then the lid, you can see there's a notch over there that fits in that small hole. I got some new fuel lines. I already tested this line and no gas leaks through, so that's okay. I just need to put the filter on the end of it. So let's see if I can get it over here. Alright, that's on all the way. Back you go. It needs to go to that corner. That's the lowest point. Yep. Yes, it went to that corner. Then the fiddly part. That line and that line. I'll try this one first. It's going. Yep, far enough. Yeah. Then we have two bolts. Top one. Yep. And the lower one through the big hole, small hole in the carburetor to the cylinder. So the carburetor has been fixed. This is the choke. As you can see, it closes up the air hole, the intake, and this part goes on like this. So that is on there as well. That functions. Set screws, idle screw, choke. So some gas, and let's see if it runs.